In this video, we will be looking at problem number 5 from our homework today. We did 1 through 4 in class. You were left with 5 and 6. I'm going to demonstrate number 5. Hopefully try it on your own first and then come back and look at my example. Well, today we learned about slope intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. In this form, m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. And we learned a number of things today, and you have extensive notes over that information. Well, we learned a two-step process for taking our line and turning it into an equation in slope-intercept form. The first thing we do is identify the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept is the point where the line intersects our y-axis. This is our y-axis, this is our x-axis. Well, in this case, that point is right here. Our line intersects our y-axis at this point. Well, that's negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, negative 7. This is our y-intercept. Well, we're ready to fill that in place of b. I will now state y equals. We don't know the slope yet. I'm just simply going to put a blank. Y equals something times x plus b is negative 7. I could say plus a negative 7, but instead I'm simply going to write minus 7. Y equals some slope times x subtract 7, because that is my y-intercept. Well, now, in order to find the slope, I need 2 points. We need 2 points for slope. Need 2 points. Need 2 points to find slope, need 2 points to define a line. Okay, well, we already have 1 point, 0, negative 7. I'm going to fill that in. Now we need any other point. Well, this point looks like a pretty good one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So this point is 6, negative 4. And you could use any 2 points to make this work. Once you have your 2 points, we need to find the change in y and the change in x. We define slope to be slope equals change in y divided by change in x. So, in this case, our x went from 0 to 6. Well, that's an increase of 6. Our y went from negative 7 to negative 4. Well, that's an increase as well. From negative 7 to negative 4 is an increase of 3. Negative 6, negative 5, negative 4. So here we see our change in y is 3, our change in x is 6. We'll simply substitute those two values in. Change in y 3, change in x 6. Well, 3 divided by 6, if we reduce, is 1 over 2. That is our slope. Slope here is a 1/2. So that value will go right here as the coefficient of x. 1 divide 2. So this is our equation. Y equals 1/2 x subtract 7. This is the equation for this line. Using that, see if you can complete number 6.